What is your motto in life?
Let go and let God.
Let go,
And let God.
let...
It means, kuya, kung ano man problema mo, ipasa Diyos mo na lang.
let go and let God. Okay. Mas maganda, tinagalog mo na lang. How about you?
Siya muna, Will.
What is your motto?
My saying is, motto or saying?
Bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Sabi ko, motto, biglang saying. Okay, motto muna.
My motto is, just trust yourself.
Ano na? Just drugs yourself? Just trust yourself. Dami, ha?
Yes.
Kinas yun, ha? Ginaya mo lang?
No, I have my own because it's yourselves.
Marami. Okay, how about you?
Don't forget where you came from, but don't be afraid to go further.
Wow. Mukhang nag-aaral.
Prepared siya.
Okay, prepared. Ano nangyayari ngayon? Ha?
Kasalukuyan pong inaayos ngayon ang kahon ng kulay.
Kasama po natin ang Sheba Accounting Firm and Pagco Representatives.
Okay, sige. Pero bago lahat, gusto ko lang mapunta dito. Checkin ko lang itong ano. Checkin ko lang itong ating mga ruleta. Di ba? Okay. Do you have a motto? What is your motto or saying?
In life, you can do anything but not everything.
May ibig sabihin, ha? Okay. Yung isa, wala. Hoy, lumabas ka dito. Mga takusa kayo. What is your motto? Or saying?
If there's a will, there's a win. Spin a wheel!
Nabasa. How about you? Okay, go.
Live with...
Live with, ano? Live with?
Live with purpose, not for pleasure.
Live with purpose, but not for pleasure. Okay. Alright, di ba? About you, what is your motto? mukhang bagong labas sa kulungan eh. What is your motto?
Excuse me.
Excuse me ka pa. Ano?
Don't just the book by its cover. Don't just
Don't spit me, malaway mo. How about you? Do you have a motto? No. Kailangan meron tayong, how about you?
Kawil, pwedeng pass?
Ay! Of course. What is your motto, Uncle Bob?
Kung may sinuksok, may madudukot.
Wala ka kwenta. Manda kayo bukas kayo sa Lunes kayo. Lunes. Tawag na tayo. Okay. That is your motto. Ang galing ng motto. Ang galing eh, no? Puro laway niya naman. Walang yaka. Dalawa niya mo yung kamay ko. Don't spit in your hand. Tama yan. That is my motto for you. Don't spit in my hand. Ha? Yun. Masaya lang.
Hello po.
Magandang tanghali po. What is your motto in life?
Hello po.
Do you have a motto in life?
Meron po.
Okay naman. Oo. Okay. But what is your motto in life?
Nothing is impossible po.
Okay. Go.
Not all po.
What is that? Nothing is? Nothing is?
Nothing is impossible po.
Ang ganda, napakahirap ng mo. Palapakan natin. Okay. What is your name?
Arian Songton po.
Ariane Johnson. Where are you from, Ariane?
Tondo, Manila po.
From Tondo, Manila. Hello, from Tondo, Manila. Good afternoon,
Hello po.
everyone. Hi, Arian. Are you watching the show live? Are you watching?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes po.
You have kids?
Meron po.
How many kids do you have?
2 po.
You have 2 kids. How about your husband? Is he working?
Hindi po.
Why is it?
Po?
Why? Why is it that he's not working?
Event coordinator po.
He's an event coordinator. But I like your motto, Okay, that's right. So my motto for me is, I want you to win. Okay? Okay, I want you to get the will and the win so that you get the jackpot. Is
Yes
that
po, sana po.
okay? Arian, can you shout that? Shout for joy. Shout for joy, Arian. Say it. Spin the wheel.
Tinuwin.
Let's go, Arian! On the go! Makakuha kaya ni Arian ng Tondo, Manila ang ating jackpot, will or win? Ay, pinakadulo. Go, go, go! Okay! Wow, sumabla yung sa pinakadulo, Arian, no? Sana 30,000. Anyway, may 2 kang letra magkatugma. Ayan, nakita mo? Ayan, no? Kita mo?
Yes po, ngayon pa lang po.
Okay, ilang letra yung magkakatugma?
N po.
Anda, 2 letra, di ba? Tama?
Apo.
2
Yes po.
letter?
N.
That's right. Dahil dahil meron kang
10,000 cash!
Arian,
Thank you po, Kuya Will.
ano gusto mo sabihin sa ating, of course, Willionario?
Thank you po, Willionario. God bless po yung show nyo.
Salamat at bili pa ng ticket, ha? Eh, ba't siya? May isa pa tayong raffle.
Thank you po.
O, kamusta sa mga tigutan do, Arian? Goodbye.